Hello guys,
Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 9 best virtual assistant services. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button, and turn on notification for regular updates. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1, Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the best and popular freelancing websites that helps both job seekers and service seekers. On this website, virtual assistants create their accounts and post their experience in the form of gigs. Choose the virtual assistant from the available services to fulfill your requirements. Highlights. Popular across the globe. Lots of professionals. Flexible to use. Free to create profile. Best way to showcase your works. Number 2, Upwork. Upwork is a freelancing website that allows you to find the best virtual assistant at a very reasonable price. Everyone knew that Upwork is an open platform to post service requirements and get the service providers as well. You can choose the virtual assistant by looking into her previous works and years of experience. Highlights. Easy to find a virtual assistant. Availability of n number of options. Flexible price range. Number 3, Time Etc. Time Etc. is a US-based virtual assistant service started by Barnaby in the year 2007. He started this service to make the people get out of the time-wasting tasks and start thinking about what really matters more. People call Time Etc. as the best overall virtual personal assistant service. All this is because of its quality service. The assistants who passed the company's toughest 10-stage selection process are selected and employed in their company. So, they match the best virtual assistant according to your requirement. They will work from home and communicate via email, text, phone, and more. More than 22,000 entrepreneurs discovered the difference between a Time Etc. virtual assistant and other virtual assistants. Highlights. Dedicated US virtual assistant. Verified experience. Convenient time zone. Branded email. Real-time time tracking. Switch plans anytime. Expert support. Pricing. Time Etc. is available in 4 different plans, such as 10 hours, 20 hours, 40 hours, and 60 hours. The prices of all the plans are as displayed on the screen. Number 4, Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is the most commonly used website to get its services done through the bidding process. The process of hiring a virtual assistant is completely different from other websites. People looking for a virtual assistant will make a post with their requirements. If you meet the requirements, just bid with the amount that you are willing to do it. Finally, one best profile among the total bid profiles will be chosen. Highlights. Bidding process. Free to create profile. Lot of services are available. Best platform for independent talents. Number 5, MyTasker. MyTasker is one of the best and top-notch virtual assistant service available in the present world. It provides all the required features to feel the users comfortable with the virtual assistants. It provides its services irrespective of the size and nature of the company to overcome the problems with its smart techniques. If you are looking for the best and perfect virtual assistant for your company, then MyTasker is the perfect choice for you. A dedicated virtual assistant will be provided to you and they assist you all the time virtually. Highlights. Various experts at your service. Round-the-clock service. Confidentiality of information. Special support. Accountability. Overseas advantage. Pricing. The plans and pricing of MyTasker are as displayed on the screen. Number 6, Belay. Belay is a VA service that has high-qualified virtual assistants, and that is why Belay is the best choice if you are looking for a high-qualified VAS. Getting a virtual assistant from Belay is very simple and easy. Consult them and explain your needs clearly. Then they will fit the best match for you. A dedicated virtual assistant will be employed for you and they start working to grow your business. Along with the virtual assistant service, Belay also provides some other services like virtual bookkeeping services, website specialist services, and social media strategist service. Highlights: research and reporting, inbox and schedule management, book travel and expense reporting, project coordination, social media, light bookkeeping, pricing. Belay provides its services at a very reasonable price and ranges from $6 to $10 per hour. The price ranges from $26 to $45 per hour. If you have chosen the virtual assistants who have experience of 5 years and more. Number 7. Fancy Hands. Fancy Hands is a US-based virtual assistant service best for short or occasional tasks. This is the most affordable virtual assistant service. You can choose the virtual assistant as a dedicated assistant or a delegate of occasional tasks. These virtual assistants are highly qualified and keep your information confidential. If you are looking for the best affordable virtual assistant for short or minimal tasks, then this is the best choice for you. Highlights: scheduling, text messaging, rollover requests, recurring requests, accessibility, referral credits, usage stats, pricing. Fancy Hands virtual assistant service is available in 4 different plans, such as small, medium, large, and XL. The prices of all the 4 plans are as displaying on the screen. Number 8. WoodBows. The WoodBows is one of the best virtual assistant services that aims to free up the time of business owners, entrepreneurs, and executives as much as possible. This provides its services at a very reasonable and affordable price. The WoodBows provides you with a dedicated virtual assistant, and they are good at problem solving and taking the right decisions. They assist you around the clock and never disappoint you with their ideology and actions. Highlights: 24/7 client support, 10+ years experienced virtual professionals, 1,000+ clients served, no tax complications, easy to hire. Pricing: WoodBows provides its services in various plans, such as 4 hours, 10 hours, 20 hours, and lifetime. All these plans can be purchased weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, and annually payments. Number 9. UAssist.me. UAssist.me is the best virtual assistant service that provides its services in bilingual, i.e., English and Spanish. The assistants matched to you are professionals from the topmost universities. Their aim is to cut your expenses as much as possible. Virtual assistants are more flexible and work in any time zone. Don't worry about confidential data. UAssist.me secures your data and maintains accountability to you. Just choose the plan and they will provide you the best match to assist you in improving your business. Highlights: fully bilingual, English and Spanish. Commitment, agility, optimism, heroism. Never compromise in quality. Flexible and scalable. Cost-effective. Pricing. The plans and pricing of UAssist.me are as displayed on the screen. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.